So today I'm bringing the kids to Gardens by the Bay, and we are going to visit the cloud forest with the special featuring the Jurassic The Experience, which was just launched on the 29th of May recently. So let's check it out. All right.
Have your ticket with you?
Yeah, tickets here.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, definitely a lot of people on this beautiful and sunny Sunday. So here we are, present our tickets. Thank you. Jurassic Park. Whoa! Look at this! Wow! Look at the waterfall. Welcome to the Jurassic World, the experience produced by Neon. Okay, coming Babatek video for you. Let's go further in and explore the adventure. Wow. So this dino is what you call a Compy or Compsognathus. There are a lot of people. Gotta go in a bit slowly. All the plants here are real, yeah? And they are really beautiful. I don't know what species is this. Probably they collected it from around the world. Never seen before. Oh my god, it's a T-Rex! Doyang, T-Rex, Amen, T-Rex, whoa! Wow, look at that. Let's go a bit closer. Hey, wow! Ah, hello dinosaur ma. 你喜欢看 dinosaur 吗？过来，跟爸爸这边拍照片。你喜欢看 dinosaur 吗？你喜欢看 dinosaur 吗？喜欢啊。Okay. Wow, we can go and climb as high as up there. Yeah. So this Cooksonia is known as the vascular system. Cooksonia represent a transitional state between ancient bryopipes and the other land plants we encounter today. Wow, Meme, action, Meme. Next, we are going inside Evolution Walk. Look at all these ferns here. The collections of it, the varieties of it that make it look so different and amazing. This is what we call the nature, the beautiful of nature. Amazing plants around, many types of species. Simply amazing lah. It is very beautiful, gorgeous, very nature. The smell also very refreshing. So the line is queuing up again for another, I think it's the Jurassic Walk. Yeah, that one is the skywalk that I was talking about. Wow, it's really awesome to be able to stand on top of that and walk around this amazing park. Look at the crowd, man. It's going to be at least 1 or 2 hours of queue before we are able to go up. But very fortunately that the queue is moving so the wait couldn't be long, even though there's a lot of people Hopefully we will reach our turn soonest Look at that. So if you are bringing your kids here, it is recommended, not only recommended, but it's a must to bring your strollers each for each one of them to make sure that you enjoy your journey. Else die going to move them around because they are going to get tired easily. Wow, can see or not? Dinosaur inside. Happy! So basically from the second floor, we need to queue up again. Take a lift for those who are bringing kids and stroller up to the 6th floor. And from the 6th floor, we have to switch and get another lift, and we're going to 7th floor. Now let us see what is in front of us after the door lift open at 7th floor. Ding, 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 ding. Whoa! Wow, can you guys see the giant spider or not? You like this place? You like ah? This is where? Singapore. So inside this cloud forest, here's a little window that you can peek outside. Yeah, the original Singapore. Actually, I have to say that this place is quite an amazing architectural design. Look at that. Combinations of modern architects together with this nature, the blend of nature. Yeah, here you can see the Singapore flyers. So all those tourist spots or tourist destinations in Singapore are very nearby. So basically, within a day, you can actually complete a few places. Just now we were in level 7, and then we took another lift down. Then we go down to level 4. This is a crystal cave, and we are going to the Crystal Mountain, Jurassic World. And now we are going to level number 4. Much more spacious, not so crowded. So the T-Rex from the top of the view. Wow, that's it, our tour. This is the way out. Every time you check out or you come out from all these amusement park or tourist attraction, definitely got the gift shop. Shades for kids, small little gift toys, and of course the price is not cheap also lah. So basically there's 2 domes. One is to the cloud forest, and another one is to the flower dome. So we did not manage to get the tickets for it because of the kids, right? They cannot tahan so long, so we only go to one place. So now we are heading back to the hotel for some lunch. So see you guys. Bye bye.